Stick a pony in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. 'Cause if you want the best ones but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. 'Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one which driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la la la.
Well, our final stop in Bristol today takes us to a well-known place on TV, a TV celebrity building, and it doesn't really fit into the monumental side of things, but we want to show you anyway. And this is it. This mocked up as Nelson Mandela House from Only Fools and Horses. That's the tower block that they lived in. See, a lot of people thought it was Peckham, but actually it wasn't, was it? But anyway, Whitemead House is exactly where it was.
I saw the riot on TV this morning. What started it this time?
Seems to be the slightest little thing starts it all off these days.
Despite the opening theme tune to Only Fools and Horses, the block of flats featured was not actually used. However, in 1988, the BBC moved Nelson Mandela House to Bristol and to the Whitemead House. Whitemead House was located next to the Ashton Gate Stadium. The location was also used for the Trotters Garage, which made them millionaires eventually with that infamous Harrison watch. The producers of Only Fools and Horses moved the whole thing to Bristol, and this was its home for years to come. And the infamous riot scene was set outside Whitemead House.
Turn round and go back to Rodney and Cassandra's.
We live here!
How the hell are we going to get through that lot in one piece?
Well, I'm not turning round. Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! It's Delboy! Texo, I've got that VCR that goes with your camera.
Nice one, Del. Be round tomorrow.
Wait, Alex, tell your sister I got a video recorder.
Right, Del. I'll tell her Tuesday when I go round for tea.
Lovely jubbly.
as we are in the Trotter-esque thing, bit of artwork here been done. I don't know whether that looks like Del Boy, but somebody has actually put some beady eyes on him there. But just around the corner, you've got a Rodney, and to be honest with you, the Rodney looks a lot more realistic, doesn't he? And with just a stone's throw from Nelson Mandela House. Well, that's all we've got time for. I hope you enjoyed your little trip to Nelson Mandela House in Bristol. Join us again next week for another episode of Monumental. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.
White, rich or poor, we'll cut prices at a straw.